Hi everyone, welcome back.
In today's video, we will learn about design thinking process. Design thinking is a method with 5 steps that helps UX designers create helpful and smart ideas to solve actual problem for a specific group of people. The first step in design thinking is empathy. It means understanding users' need, desires and challenges through interviews, observation and surveys. It helps you uncover insights, guiding your design process for solutions that truly meet users' need. For example, if you are designing a new backpack for college students, the first step is you conduct interviews with college students, observe their daily routines, and talk to them about their pain points while they're carrying their books and laptops. Another example is if you are designing a mobile app for restaurant reservations. For this, you need to conduct interviews with the people who go to restaurant frequently. Observe how they interact with existing reservations app, gather insights on their pain points and preferences. Remember, understanding the user is crucial step in design thinking process. It serves as a foundation for rest of the design process. Let's discuss remaining steps in next video. Stay tuned.